Bill from the dev team here, and we now have array functions. So you can click this right here. Essentially, array is a list. So you can find, if you have a webhook, we can search for the webhook, or maybe it's Shopify, Google Sheets. You can find or filter line items. You can even do math functions whenever you have that selected. So you can take a webhook, find the data that you want, and then later you can use that in another value. So for example, we could take an SMS, and when you go to custom values, you'll see here array functions will pop up, and then you'll see the options that you had saved. So they'll exist right there for you. So this opens up a ton of possibilities. It is more advanced, so definitely reach out if you have any questions. This is an awesome feature. It's going to allow a lot more functionality for you.